Nebraska senators take aim on taxes on the final day of bill introduction at the unicameral. Thanks for joining us. I'm Julie Cornell.
I'm Rob McCartney. One of the package of bills looks to cut property taxes by 40%. It's one of the governor's priorities, but unlike Jim Pillen's plan, it would only raise the sales tax by up to 1%.
KETV News Watch 7's Andrew Ozaki has our big story from Lincoln.
Governor Pillen's property tax plan got a little spark Wednesday as senators introduced a package of bills. One, by the chair of the Revenue Committee, calls for a sales tax increase up to 1%.
I hope we don't need an increase in sales tax, but I have convinced myself if we actually figure out a way to reduce the property tax statement amount you get on your statement by 40%, I don't think people would be that concerned about a 1 cent increase in sales tax.
That 40% adds to $2 billion. Senator Luann Linehan says half of that could come from existing property tax credits.
If there is a way to front load that income tax refund so you don't have to pay the taxes in the first place.
Another proposal places a hard cap on all local governments that could only be overridden by voters in a general election. The other $1 billion in property tax relief would come from broadening the tax base and removing some sales tax exemptions, although things like food, medical bills, and car repairs would still not be taxed.
We've been very careful not to tax things that people are essential to people's livelihood.
It's still a non-starter for senators like Jane Raybould.
I don't care how you spin it or call it something else, it's raising taxes on Nebraska working families, and that's wrong.
And from conservative groups like Americans for Prosperity.
We have some of the worst property taxes in the country, but this problem, the only way to fix it is less spending from government.
Linehan believes the only way to get reform is through a tax shift.
40% reduction in property taxes paid is a big, big prize.
In Lincoln, Andrew Ozaki, KETV News Watch 7.